Hello friends, do you put a color border around a picture on your iPhone? In this video, I will show how to border a photo on an iPhone without installing any third-party app. This video is special for iOS 17 and later users because old iOS may have a different user interface. So let's start. First, you need to open the Photos app on your iPhone. Next, find a picture to add a border around it. For example, I'm tapping my favorite album, and I'm picking up a picture of my boy birthday cake. Do you like this cake? Please comment below. Now tapping on the edit button, and go with a pencil icon that looks like this. So on the next screen, you can get a beautiful toolbar on the bottom side. On this screen, tap on the plus icon which is located on the last in toolbar, so that it brings up a superb menu. Go with the shape option. Thus, a menu with different shapes will pop up. For example, square, rectangle, circle, triangle, sideways arrow, star, bubble, and arrow. I'm choosing a square icon that completely fits around our picture border. Now, the real trick is to start. You have to perform the next task carefully. If anything happens wrong, you can do undo by tapping on the undo button. First of all, remove opacity, so tap on the color on the right side and set opacity to 0. Next, set the thickness of the border. Tap on the left side tool to adjust border thickness. I'm tapping on this number so you can set it from 1 to 30 points thickness. You can set as per your requirement. You can adjust the border edge using the slider and see the preview above. Now, the next thing is to set the color. Tap on the color circle, so a color picker will appear. Choose a color. For example, tap on the orange color and tap on the X mark sign. So you can see a change of the color here. Now drag the edge from all 4 sides till it fits around on a picture. North and south side borders easy to adjust, but the east and west side border are a little bit complicated to set. So what to do? Just rotate your phone and set the east and west edges. If the screen won't rotate, please check the screen rotation is not locked on the control panel. To save the process, now tap on the Done button, and for final confirmation again, tap on the Done to save the procedure. If you want to get an original picture without border, then you can revert the process by tapping on Revert and confirm Revert to Original. So, my friend, I hope you liked this video. If you're facing any issue related to putting a border around a picture on your iPhone, feel free to comment down below.